Modern Gentry, massive value I've found from the evening. From someone who hasn't really grown up with this kind of knowledge, it's invaluable.
So massive thank you to Claire and Modern Gentry for putting me in touch with Elle. This has been an awesome night.
So the Modern Gentry was just an amazing experience. Elle was incredibly knowledgeable in her advice that she gave to the entire cohort here tonight.
What have I learned? Just how to mix and match different styles, to give different patterns a go, just be a bit bolder, a bit more experimental with my clothes.
Modern Gentry, so far fantastic. I really loved coming down here tonight. Come, like-minded people, have a drink, have a laugh, have an awesome time, make some new friends.
I would highly recommend anyone to give it a go. Check out the Modern Gentry. Claire was really good too. Claire takes in all my suits. Excellent fit. Thanks to Claire.
Thank you.